Hi Ronaldo, what are you doing here? I was at a friend's house. What a nice motorcycle. Oh, thank you. I bought it a few days ago. Let's go for a ride. I'm sorry, I can't come with you. I have to go to college. I have a biology class and I can't miss it. It doesn't matter. That will be for another time. But can I still drop you off at college? Yes, it's my pleasure. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hello, I would like to order of a cake. For what occasion? It's to celebrate a birthday. Yes, of course. Is it for an adult or a child? For a 23 years old boy. Okay. And for how many people? For three people only. Which flavor do you prefer? My friends loves lemon cake. Great. And for what day and for what time do you want the cake to be ready? For Friday around 5 p.m. Is it possible? Of course. Could I have your friend's name? Ronaldo. Well, sir, your order has been registered. How much do I owe you? $20, please. Can I pay by credit card? Yes, as you wish. Thank you. The payment has been made successfully. Here is your receipt. Thank you and see you on Friday. See you soon.